Hi friends, this is our seedling update for February 23rd, 2026. I'm so excited guys because we have some onions that germinated. These are bunching onions. See that? That's so good. And then these are candy onions. So we see a few of them that are already sprouted. There's some in here. And then the ones there, it's kind of hard to see the greens, but we have a few of them. Now, these are the red Garcia onions. So these two here are bulbing onions. I feel like I'm a little bit late on bulbing onions, but that's okay. If this does not work, I can always get some sets. Now this one has better germination than the bulbing onions, but uh, this might still grow some more. So we'll see. That's just so exciting because these were planted about a week ago. So yeah, it took 1 week for them to germinate. These were planted about the same time. These are celery. So far, I don't see anything, but usually celery germinate around 14 days. And then here, guys, look at that. Now this, I did not start this. My friend started this, and these are Napa cabbages. Yep, my first time to grow Napa cabbages. I've grown different kinds of cabbage, but first time for Napa. I do like Napa cabbage. Now, these are rosemary, no sprouts in that yet. And then here, I have a couple of heat mats in here for our summer crops. Now, these are banana peppers, sweet banana peppers here. And then these are jalapeno peppers. So far, I see 4 sprouted. Actually, there are 5. So since we already have some that have germinated, now I turn the lights on this because I germinated them in the dark since there's really no reason to use lights for peppers. Peppers don't need light to germinate. But as soon as you see some of them germinate, that's the time when you have to provide light to them. I'm just going to leave this on for about 48 hours because I know that there will be a lot more that will sprout. These are 50 cell trays. So there should be about 50, give or take, in each of these cells. Now this, going back to the onions, this one, I just broadcasted the onions because they're so tiny. Um, and then we have some tomatoes up there. It's just really high, so I can't show you. They have not germinated yet. And then some herbs right there. And then trying to show you the ones down here. And these are also peppers, sweet peppers. These are bells. We have yellow, red, and orange bell. And then some tomatoes. And then let's see another tray here. We have 250 cell trays, and these are Salanova lettuce. I get a Premier collection, I think, and there were 25 seeds in each pack. It's my first time to buy seeds from Johnny's, and so far, so good. I got my order right away, so pretty happy with that. And the best thing is that, like how small the lettuce seeds are, but these are pelleted. See that? So it's really easy to just drop the seeds into your seeding tray. It took probably just a minute to do these 2 trays, which is really amazing. So yeah, they gave me some extra seeds on this. Like they gave more of the red one, so probably the germination is not that good since they gave a lot of extra. Um, this one, I can't see where it says germination. That's okay though. Anyway, yeah. So far this is what we have in here. Um, this is actually pretty good for our first week of seeding. And I'm pretty sure here in a few days we will see our tomatoes and summer peppers. Alright guys, that's gonna be all for our update today. I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Have a great day and happy gardening.